Hello and welcome back to Ramsport, and welcome to our year-end review video. We bring you the best bits from 2022 as we prepare and look forward to what next year has to bring. So sit back and enjoy. From everybody here at Ramsport, we would like to take the opportunity to wish you a very happy and prosperous new year, and thank you for your continued support. We cannot wait to bring you more content next year. For now, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you very soon.